This video demonstrates how to use your own geography and a custom hierarchy to create a redistricting plan. For example, I want to create a plan that uses a hierarchy of blocks, my own updated precinct layer, and counties. Click the Open button, choose Map as the file type, and I'll open a map that contains the blocks and counties. Click the Layers button and click Add Layer. I'm going to choose the precinct layer that I created and click Open to add it to the map. Next, verify that the base layer of your plan contains the unique fields for the other layers in your hierarchy. For example, I will right-click on the base layer for the plan and choose New Data View. Each layer requires a field that contains the relationship to all higher levels in the hierarchy, and you can see in this example that the precinct and county fields are part of the hierarchy for the block layer. Next, I'll right-click on the precinct layer and choose New Data View and confirm that there is a field with a county relationship. And finally, if I right-click on the county layer and choose New Data View, you can see that there's the required field for this layer. Now, open Windows Notepad or another text editor to create the necessary hierarchy file. Specify the file name and field name for each layer in hierarchical order. So I'll start with the block file name and the block layer name, the precinct file name and precinct layer, and the county file name and county layer. Note that the file names do not need the file extension, and be sure to click Enter at the end of each line. Save the file to the Caliper folder in the My Documents folder, and the file must be a text file named Hierarchies. You're now ready to create a redistricting plan using your own geography and custom hierarchy. Choose Redistricting, Plan Manager, and click New Plan. Create the new plan using the open map, and save the plan. Enter the plan settings, and click the Advanced tab. Verify that your custom hierarchy is highlighted, and click OK. Maptitude for Redistricting creates the plan and is ready for redistricting. And that wraps up this tutorial on using a custom hierarchy to create a plan.